Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. Sure. NumPy is a powerful library in Python for numerical computing. It provides a variety of functions to work with arrays, including methods to calculate the mean and standard deviation. Here's a comprehensive tutorial on how to use NumPy to compute the mean and standard deviation of arrays. ###NumPy mean and standard deviation. 1 Mean, the mean, or average, is the sum of all elements divided by the number of elements. 2 Standard deviation, the standard deviation is a measure of the amount of variation or dispersion of a set of values. A low standard deviation means that the values tend to be close to the mean, while a high standard deviation indicates that the values are spread out over a wider range. ###Getting started. First, you need to install NumPy if you haven't already. You can install it using pip. ###Importing NumPy. To use NumPy, you need to import it in your Python script. ###Creating an array. You can create a NumPy array using the np.array function. Here's an example. ###calculating the mean. To calculate the mean, use the np.mean function. Here's how to do it. ###calculating the standard deviation. To calculate the standard deviation, use the np.std function. ###complete example. Here's a complete example that demonstrates how to calculate the mean and standard deviation of a NumPy array. ###mean and standard deviation along specific axes. If you are working with multidimensional arrays, matrices, you can specify the axis along which to calculate the mean and standard deviation. For example, consider a 2D array. ###summary. Mean can be calculated using np.mean. Standard deviation can be calculated using np.std. You can calculate these statistics along specific axes in multidimensional arrays. This tutorial should give you a solid understanding of how to compute mean and standard deviation using NumPy. Feel free to experiment with different datasets and dimensions.